Hello everyone and welcome to Chitkara Learner. Today we are going to do is where clause. The where clause is used to filter the records. Where clause is used to filter records. Like filtering records mean like we are having a record, like we are having a table in which we are having roll number 1, 2, 3, roll number, name and marks. And we are having name A, B and C. We are having marks 40, 45 and 60. Now what we have to do in this database is we have to fetch the name and roll number of the failure students. Now I am having the record of 3 students only here. If I suppose I have record of 30,000 students, what I have to do? I have to check manually or I have to write some code for that. We cannot check this thing manually. We should write a code for that. Like here is a condition, mark should be greater than 40, then student is pass, otherwise student is fail. Okay, now what I have to do is for this in database I use where clause. Where clause is used to filter the records. A where clause is used to extract those records that fulfill specified condition. Okay, specified condition here is above 40%. Like suppose I write a query, select star from student, like I have a condition where marks is greater than 40. Now this is a query in which it will fetch details of those students whose marks is greater than 40. If I want to fetch the student details whose marks is less than 40, simply I have to change this sign. This is less than 40, so it will display students those who are failed. Okay, now it's a small demo of where clause, where you can use and how you can use. If you have to use where clause on like operand and all, like where m marks is greater than 30 and like subject is greater than 3. Suppose we are having a record in which we are having one more column. Earlier we are having a roll number, name and marks and subject. Now I am fetching records of those students like A, B, C, marks 40, 45, 60 and 3, 2 and 9. The marks of those students whose marks is less than 40 and number of subjects is greater than 3. This both of the conditions should satisfy, then it will display the record. First it will check the marks less than 40. Now what we are having in a marks less than 40 is this first row. Okay, now it will check that s is greater than 3, s is equal to 3, but it not satisfied. It will display no rows selected. It will display no data. Suppose here marks equals to 4, it will display this particular row with all of the data. Thank you guys.